Did you know that the ostrich is the tallest bird in the world? Standing up to 9 feet tall, these flightless birds are native to Africa. Their large eyes, each about the size of a billiard ball, give them excellent vision to spot predators from afar. Ostriches are incredibly fast, reaching speeds up to 45 miles per hour, making them the fastest birds on land. With only 2 toes on each foot, their powerful legs can deliver a kick strong enough to deter predators. Ostrich eggs are the largest of any bird, weighing about 3 pounds each, equivalent to 2 dozen chicken eggs. Incredible, right? Next time you see an ostrich, you'll know just how remarkable they truly are.